Bundlebee Baby Wrap is the best and the easiest way to swaddle your precious little newborn. Just place your baby in the middle, fold the bottom corner up, then fold the sides, 1 and 2, Velcro holds it together, and that's it, nice and cozy. The Bundlebee Baby Wrap has the special built-in cushion in the back that slides in and out and helps keep your baby very nice and comfy on any surface, just like this one. The special built-in cushion helps protect your little one's neck and back, especially when others are trying to hold your baby and they don't have much experience. Also, when you're trying to move your precious little baby from place to place, like this, it keeps her nice and cozy and she will never wake up. This blanket is very soft and cozy. It hugs the baby so she can stay swaddled just like in a mom's womb. At the same time, it gives just enough space to allow for the natural movement as she sleeps, so her arms and legs are somewhat free and it won't cause hip displacement.